Hello there. Thanks for stopping by the Sunbelt Rentals workshop. Today, we're gonna go over how to use the 0.4 gallon paint sprayer. The high-performance electric airless paint sprayer can be used for indoor and outdoor latex applications. It comes standard with an LTX 517 tip for paints requiring a .017 tip size. Before we jump in, let's review some important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, gloves, and a mask. Always remember to engage the trigger lock on the spray gun when it is not in use. Push it from left to right to lock it. Disengage it by pushing the lock from right to left. To set up your sprayer, connect to a 12-gauge extension cord designed for high-amp tools. Then, connect the extension cord to a grounded outlet. Set it up at least 25 feet away from your work area in a well-ventilated space. Prior to using the paint sprayer for the first time, it's important to clean and prime it with pump armor. You will need 2 containers for this process. Place the siphon hose in the container of water and pump armor, and the return hose in the empty container. On the paint sprayer, set the unit pressure to minimum and turn the prime spray valve to the prime position. Turn the sprayer to the on position to start it. Increase the pressure slowly until the fluid is moving through the pump. Flush for 30 seconds into the waste container, then turn it to the off position. To prepare for painting, place the siphon hose into your paint container and the return hose into the waste container. Turn the sprayer to the on position and allow it to run until the paint is coming through the return hose. Once it's running, turn the machine off and place the return hose in the paint container. Put the trigger gun into the waste container and turn the sprayer on. Adjust until the paint is flowing freely. Then turn the machine off. Attach the guard and tip. The sprayer indicator screen shows the pressure of the sprayer. 0 to 200 psi indicates the sprayer is primed and ready. 201 to 1900 psi is for stains, lacquers, and varnishes. 1901 to 3300 psi is for latex paints. Adjust the pressure according to your project and you are ready to begin spraying. Hold the sprayer 10 to 12 inches from the surface you are painting and spray from left to right. The sprayer, hose, and gun should be cleaned thoroughly after each use. Set the sprayer pressure to rapid clean when flushing the system with cleaning materials. First, secure the gun by activating the trigger lock, and then turn off the sprayer. Next, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to the off position. Unlock the spray gun and hold it against the side of the container. Release the pressure by spraying the gun into the container. Then, move the prime valve into the prime position and adjust the pressure to relieve the remaining pressure in the pump. Remove the tip and guard and clean them with a brush and recommended cleaning solution. Next, place the siphon hose in a container of cleaning solution and the return hose in a waste container. Turn the sprayer on to flush the paint into the container. Then, turn the sprayer off. Once it's clear, turn the prime spray valve to spray and turn the sprayer back on. Ground your spray gun and trigger it into the bucket until the paint is flushed out. Perform the pressure release procedure again. Then, unplug the unit and wash out the gun and parts. Pack up the hoses and store them in a clean, dry area until you're ready to return them. So that is it for the paint sprayer. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. Thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us again for your next job or project.